In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to set up ordinary time earnings pay items, 5 minutes. Start by signing into your Xero account. On the login page, click Login, enter your details, and continue to your organization's dashboard. You'll need payroll admin permissions for the next steps. From the dashboard, open Payroll, then go to Payroll Settings. In the Settings area, select Pay Items and open the Earnings tab. This is where you'll create the ordinary time earnings pay item used for standard everyday hours worked. Click Add and choose ordinary time earnings as the earning type. Give the item a clear professional name and set a display name that will appear on employee payslips. Next, choose the rate type that fits your setup, such as hourly or salary, and define the unit description, typically hours, so it matches how you record time. Select the correct expense account so these wages post accurately in your chart of accounts. If you're unsure which account to use, check with your accountant or follow your internal chart guidelines to keep reporting consistent. Review the tax settings and, if applicable in your region, tick reportable as W1 on the activity statement so the amounts flow through to compliance reporting correctly. When everything looks right, click Add to save the pay item. With the pay item created, return to Payroll and open Employees. Choose the employee you want to assign this to, then go to their pay template, which controls what appears automatically each pay run. Click Add Earnings line, select the ordinary time earnings item you just created, and confirm with OK. Now set the default hours and the rate for this employee. Defaults help you run payroll faster and reduce errors, and you can still adjust them during a pay run if something changes for that period. Make sure the rate type, unit description, expense account, and tax reporting options all align with how you want wages tracked and reported. When you're satisfied, click Save. You've now created an ordinary time earnings pay item, assigned it to an employee, and set sensible defaults so payroll runs smoothly. Repeat the assignment for your other employees as needed. Ordinary time earnings should reflect standard hours only, not overtime or allowances, which you would manage with separate pay items. With this setup in place, your future pay runs will be more accurate, your ledger coding will stay clean, and your activity statements and payroll reports will be consistent and easy to reconcile.